Nagmukhang katawa-tawa at kaawa-awa itong si SP Win Gatchalian matapos siyang pagmukhaing walang kwenta ng mga kasamahan niya. Paano ba naman kasi harap-harapang pinalitan ni Pinky itong si Win Gatchalian kay Chis Escudero bilang presiding officer.
Your Honors, pursuant to Rule 2 of the Rules of Procedures on Impeachment Trials as amended, I move to elect Senator Judge Francis Joseph Guevara Escudero as the presiding officer of this impeachment court.
Na tila lumalabas na hindi kaya at hindi alam ni Win Gatchalian kung papaano gagampanan ang kanyang katungkulan.
Tanga! Sorry, I'm so sorry!
Bunga ng bindalo na galawan na ito ng Senate majority ay nakatikim sila ng masterclass lesson mula kay Senator Alan.
So that means that it is this impeachment court that now has to adopt any amendment to the rules. We will not debate that amendment to the rule. We cannot now just change the rules. We're here for the opening statements. We're here for the trial. Are we here to change the rules? We're changing the rules here today, Mr. President.
Na sinigundahan pa ng atin niya na si Senator Pia.
And I'm looking at each one of you because this is our solemn duty. What does the Constitution say? Nakalagay doon, the Chief Justice, pag the President. Silent nga po sa iba. So sabi ng iba, at yan ang sinasabi ng Senate President natin na mukhang pwedeng iba. So we looked at what the constitutional framer said. What did they say? Nagdebate na po sila, colleagues. Nagdidebate tayo dito. Pag sinabi ng sponsor, ito na yung paliwanag, yung nag-i-interpolate at nagbibigay ng amendment, sinasabi niya, okay, yung pala paliwanag mo, okay na ako. No need to amend. Yun at yun din ang sinabi. Let's place ourselves in that position. Because that happens to us every day. Every day, somebody stands up and says, ano ibig sabihin nito? And the sponsor will explain. Pag hindi maliwanag, sasabihin nung nag-i-interpolate or nag-a-amend, ay papa-amend ko kasi hindi maliwanag or I want to improve it. Pero kung nagkaintindihan naman, okay na. Eh yun nga yung binasa. Tanungin nyo naman po yung staff nyo. Or let's pause, let's all get a copy. Let's show it. Because this is the foundation of this trial na tama yung nakaupong presiding officer.
Kahihiyan naman ang sinapit ni Tito Soto ng One Bull University matapos nitong magmarunong at baluktutin ang rules ay nasupalpal at napangaralan siya ni Senator Alan at ipinamuka sa kanya kung gaano kamapanganib ang kanyang ideolohiya.
O ngayon, yung mga graduate ng Ateneo tsaka ng mga UP, ito ngayon yung legal maxim. Expressio unius et exclusio alterius. What? In other words, the express mention of one thing is the exclusion of another.
Talaga, Charmin?
Palagay ko, naintindihan nyo lahat ganyan. Itong akin. Sa publiko yung sa akin.
Okay kayo.
Ang sinasabi ng publiko ngayon, nanonood sa atin, dapat you should not resort to too much technicalities kasi ang public interest ang iniisip nila rito. They want to expedite the proceedings.
Huwag mong subukan. Masisira ang buhay mo.
They want the trial, not rules. They're interested in the trial, not rules.
We put the whole impeachment trial at risk here. What Senator Tito Soto, former Senate President, what his staff did not tell him is that there is such a thing as procedural due process, and that who presides goes into due process and fairness. The Latin term that he mentioned was for enumerations. That when there are enumerations at hindi kasali doon, in this case, there was a statement that in only one case it would be the Chief Justice because member of the Constitutional Commission who became Chief Justice Davide was going to amend precisely the Constitution to state the Senate President shall preside. But upon explanation by the sponsor that it is understood that it is the Senate President, then it should be the Senate President. And dun sa sinabi ni Senate President Soto that ang gusto ng tao ay mag-umpisa na, precisely, kanina pa dapat tayo nag-umpisa kung nag-preside ang Senate President. Secondly, this is when you have threshold issues that go into due process fairness. If we're gonna say that ang gusto ng tao i-convict na lang, then let's just blurt it out. Now, if we're going to say we want a fair trial, let's make sure that every aspect of this trial is fair.
Talo. Sorry.